looking like a snack.
What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today is a BMW Charlotte car show day. All BMWs here in Charlotte meeting up. It's gonna be crazy. Lots of BMWs. I'm sure I'll see a lot of people that I know there. Thick whip, looking super clean. Spent the later half of the day yesterday cleaning it up, so about to throw some stuff in the car, get things ready, head out. So I got a couple of things in today that I'll be putting in that I'll be installing in a different video, but I got the dash cam, black view dash cam for the E90. I'm gonna do that today, and then I got the new grill that came in for the E90, the double slatted gloss black grill, same style that I have in the F30. And then we're also getting all of the M3 painted parts back after the weekend, probably on Monday. So they're all in the booth right now getting painted, and I'll probably have all that back Monday. I'm thinking tentatively I'll have the E90 M3 back and like ready to go before Wednesday. Anyone else look at the reflection of their car in windows? Like, oh, let me get that side profile. Damn. I know you guys do that, don't lie. Getting that gas up. This thing drinks like a baby compared to the M3 that are all cleaned up yesterday. Low-key missing the heck out of that M3 right now. It's been like a week and a half or something since I haven't had it. So a lot of you guys were commenting like, you need an exhaust. Like, yeah, bro, I need an exhaust. I know that. You guys gotta trust the process. I am doing an exhaust. I'm working with the company. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but I think once you see it and you understand what I'm doing, you're gonna be like, yeah, that's dope. He did it the right way. It's gonna be a sick setup. So the exhaust will happen very, very soon. Within the next like 4 weeks, we'll do an exhaust. I still have stuff planned for the F30. I gotta do new brakes. I finally got new brakes for the car, but this time around we're gonna actually ceramic coat the hats on the brakes. Shout out to Sequence for sending me cross-drilled and slotted rotors, and they gave me the new ceramic pads. So it's the same setup that I had last time, just a little bit more aggressive. They should be killer. I'm gonna do like a full install review on that. What's up, man?
Holy crap. The wrap? Are you kidding me?
You like it?
What do you think? I freaking love it. This wrap is gorgeous.
I think it looks pretty good too, man.
Well, I mean, what would you call this color? Like, I don't even know.
So it's called red, black, iridescent.
Okay.
What up, boys? Hey.
Here's an interesting question. What's the next color wrap that you may be thinking of?
Oh, I don't know. We're gonna stick with this one for a while.
All right, that's understandable.
Made it to the show. Still waiting for some people to show up, but they got bunch of F30s, man. It's F30 Central. F30s, E90. Check out this E90 right here. Space gray. Makes me miss my E90 so much. It looks good though. I really like the space gray with these wheels. These wheels are sick. It's a gunmetal. It's just like a shade darker than the actual color of the car, but it looks so good. Got that rear diffuser. Some type of exhaust. Looks like custom. AE. It's clean. You drawing again?
Yep.
Every show, right?
Feels like it.
How are you doing?
Doing okay, how are you?
Good, good.
I feel honored to be able to be
Little E46 M3. This is the same dude that has the E90 supercharged. It was in my other video, the Silverstone. Another E46 M3. Clean, bruh. We got Eldridge out here. Go follow my guy on YouTube, Eldridge Cortez. He just got that JHP lip. Thing is sick. So sick, dude. He's so low to the ground. I don't know how he does it. I'd lose that lip in like a heartbeat. Looks good though. Looks really good. sleeper. He's running pure turbos. This thing's a sleeper, man. So sick.
What do you think so far, dude?
I love it, man. I love it.
Once you get about 5,
This thing is a total sleeper, dude. It's so fast. Pure turbos, full bolt on, you can't see anything. I love that. M6. Damn, that looks good. Super good. The whole gang. That F30 out here. Chan just got that forged spoiler. What do y'all think about the forged spoiler? That looks good. He got the forged spoiler and then he got the forged caps. This car is clean, man. This car is super clean. He just dropped it the other day. I was actually at his house while he was dropping it. Yeah, so it's a good little setup. Got Nate's car here. This is F30 Drew, Eldridge, Chaboy. How much horsepower are we putting down?
680. Let's say 360.
580?
Yeah, we'll go more like
Eldridge is about to go.
590.
You guys go check out his channel. He's gonna put up dyno runs. When? When is it going up?
Tonight.
The video's going up tonight?
This evening,
Ooh,
yeah.
you're a savage.
Promises.
Savage. Yeah. Pure turbos. He's got the gap cam up top.
or the winning cam. We don't know.
That's the gap cam. All right, we just left the meet. We got a good crew of cars, and we're all headed to Mexico. So Mexico isn't far from here. We're just gonna hop into Mexico, and yeah, should be this should get interesting. The whole gang out. Should we run them? I have no idea what this is built with. Woo! He dusted me. He's gone. That thing waxed me, bro. That thing is sick. Oh yeah, man. That thing is fast. I want to know what's done to that. He just walks me. This shit is so fast. What is done to it? Just sick. Dust me, bro. Shit is fast, dude. That N55 full bolt on life. He is smoking N20 all day. Just leave me hanging. Props to him, man. That car's sick. Car is sick. Plus it probably weighs like nothing. Oh, they're all pulled over, bro. Something happened. Everybody up here. That was a wild little garage run. That F30, he got sideways a few times. This dude just caught us out here, rolled up. We got all the cars, bro. Hey, Nate! What up? Just a few cars. Just a few. Damn, what a crew. All kinds of people out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cars. Sheesh. Damn. Everybody, we just took it over. Pretty sick, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all that footage. It was a bit all over the place, but that was really fun. Super good car show. Lots of people showed up. A little bit of hooning. Lots of cars, lots of cars. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, and hit that bell notification. Just like that, video's over. And I'm out. Peace.